Greetings and cheers. I'm having a lazy day off. Been doing a lot of overtime at work, and thus I have a lot of things that I need to catch up on outside of work. So that's what this is about. There's sheets on everything because we have 1,000 cats, and I'm allergic to them, and I blame that on the missus. Right, Chewy? Yeah, Chewy back there. He's disgusted with the cats as well. I love the cats, I just can't touch them. But anyway, so top priorities that I'm working on now that I've got a lot of things at work finished. I'm going to stop doing so much overtime there and take a break from all that. So I'll be able to do more of the things that I want to do in my spare time that I actually enjoy doing and I'm happy about. So I'm going to help Kristen finish her book. She's getting pretty close to finished with that. All those monsters. All I have to do is I think I have to come up with some stats for maybe about 60 more cryptids. I'm not real sure what the number is on that, but so that's top priority. I've been having a chance now that I've been rested to complete my character sheets for Cthulhu Walnut Grove edition. So we've got character sheets now for Charles, Nellie, Half Pint, Mrs. Olson, the whole 9 yards. That's going to be really fun. And what else? Getting my Barsoom, John Carter environment ready and completed for my young 5e fans that I rub elbows with, and that's kind of my top priority right now. There's a lot more than that, but that's what I'm going to catch up on now that I've finished all those extra things I'm doing at work. So, no good reason. Again, cheers. Greetings and cheers. Day off with Chewy, the missus, and my buddy Sam. Adios, amigueros. Remember, keep your books off the table. Keep reaching for the dice.